So let's chat all things Super Greens Smoothie Bombs.
I'm going to tell you why we love it so much.
So the cool thing about this flavour is that there's two superfoods in there. There's Spirulina and Matcha.
And why are those two things really great? Well, they contain antioxidants, they contain good sources of vitamin B and iron, and it's an easy way to get it.
Yeah, it's a great way to get all those greens in, especially for me, because I don't often opt for green veggies.
So it tastes good.
It tastes really good, and also there's nuts and seeds and fibre, so it keeps you full for longer.
Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff in this one little bomb. I'm going to show you how to make a tropical green smoothie that everyone in your family will love.
Let's go.
This recipe, all you'll need is some mango, the Super Green Bomb, and some oat milk. Let's start by putting in the mango first. If you're doing just one, about half a cup. And then we're going to add the smoothie bomb. So as you can see, this is 100% compostable. I'm going to take that off and just crumble the green bomb inside. It doesn't have to be really perfect, just as best you can. Then we're going to add about 250 mils of milk of choice. We of course use oat. Should be around there. Put on the lid and get it going. So I've blended that for 60 seconds, and as you can see, it's an easy, simple way to get a nutritious drink into you. It's basically a meal replacement in a simple shake. And now the ultimate taste test to give it to the fussy eater.
It tastes like mango. That's all you taste, literally.
Awesome.
Delicious.
I need to have some too.
You have some too.
Mmm.
It's
It's
really
creamy.
yum.
It's delicious. Give it a go.